G'day. I've got some insights into networking that I'd like to share with you, and I call this one Networking 101, and I'll explain why in a moment. My name's Edward Plant, and together with my wife we run the Business League, which is a business networking organisation on the Gold Coast that's vision is to support business owners connect, develop and grow their business, and that's what we do. We have really high expectations on ourselves on how we do this. And the other day I was talking to a group of guests at one of our events and just chatting to them. And I talked to them I asked them, what are some of the challenges you guys have when you're out there networking and wherever you are? And one of them I wanted to share with you today, and I call it Networking 101. And the Networking 101 is the people that just hand out business cards, and it's a competition to hand out as many as possible or grab as many as possible. And then they are really salesy in their follow-up communication. So Networking 101 is the network spray, the business card spray. Why do I call it Networking 101? Well, when I was in the army, every module started with 101. So it was the basics on how to build the foundation to get better. So marching 101 was knowing how to put the left foot in front of the right foot with the right arm and the left arm going at the right time so you didn't square gate. Anyway, I digress. So the challenge is those networking events where people are just throwing out business cards and spamming people. And that's basically what it is. They think it's okay because they've met them, but it's not. And so the problem that happens here is, one, the event you go to that allows that. So we've actually created a structure where that doesn't happen. And we're upfront about it not happening at our event, and we don't want people to grab 50 business cards and then start sending an email of, hey, met you at this networking event, it was really good to meet you. I am amazing at what I do and you should buy off me because of all these reasons. We don't do that. So it's the structure of the event that facilitates it. The second is the quality of the people in the event. You normally find that you rise or fall to the level of the people that you're surrounding yourself with at those networking events. And so that's one way of understanding whether you're in the right room for your networking. But the reality is I've got two words that encapsulate what you need to do with this business card shuffle and spray. You ready? You might need a pen for this, so grab a pen and write down these two words. Stop it. Stop it. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. Networking is a strategic tool to help you build great quality relationships. You don't need 50 new contacts to put into your database to feel good about yourself. You need one or two people that are going to get what you're talking about, that have the same vibe as your tribe, and that are going to work with you to do what you want to do, whether that's strategic partnerships as clients or whatever it is. So my simple advice is stop the network business card spray and get quality over quantity. Hope that's been helpful. Two words, stop it. My name's Edward Plant from the Business League, and I look forward to seeing you at one of our events.